5-1.
There you go. Another prediction.
Right-handed, 3-3.
No fucking way.
You don't think the tenacity of Pushkar can win 3?
No.
If you get out the
Not
building,
even fucking
he might not win a
when he
match.
fucking gets nasty,
No,
stupid.
maybe win one. Maybe win one.
That's
Because he can't hang on to Devon's hands. And let me tell everybody here something. Pushkar in a strap is fucking half the dude. In a strap. Half. Out of a strap, ridiculous. In a strap, terrible. Fucking terrible.
How does that work?
Stoyev gave him serious shit.
How does that work?
At Worlds in a strap.
Dude with that
Out
big
of a
of
strap,
fucking
crushed
arm
him
and
like a
hand.
bird.
Yours?
A guy with that big arm and hand, how does that fucking
Doesn't
work?
pull smart. I'm telling you, in a strap, he's no good.
Why would the sober intelligent guy have anything to fucking say in a fucking setting here with a bunch of fucking alkies?
I'm not
Alkies, sober fucking
I'm
guy.
sober as shit. I mean every word I'm saying.
I'm the sober guy.
I'm
much
sober.
weed you
I mean every
smoking?
word I'm saying. And I'm going to try and back it up, put them together.
Does it? To make you drive
I'm
better.
the guy too. Don't forget Neil.
Slower, yes.
Neil.
I'm saying.
You're higher.
Neil.
Two fucking 18.
He's 206
He
all
pulled
the
the
time.
220s.
I heard he was 208.
He was in with me.
Yeah,
He was 208,
208, 206 right there. Exactly.
Well, maybe he's lost weight, but a couple of years ago at the White Castle
That's
he
what
was
he weighs.
218.
Tell
He
him
put
what
with
he weighs.
Marcio, for Christ's sake.
Never in his life does he weigh more than 210. Never.
Yeah,
He'll
205.
fuck Marcio up. Either hand.
Yeah, but
Right on
how
the-
does it count if you don't arm
He
wrestle?
says that Georgie's not good right-handed.
No, he is good, but he's not as good as Marcio right-handed. Left-handed, yeah.
He will beat Sylvain Perone both hands. He'll beat Marcio both hands.
So what happens if I pull this fucking dude that way?
Yes, he will at 200 pounds. Man,
Yeah, only because Sylvain doesn't weigh 200
the
pounds.
same fucking world as him.
How can I not be in the same world as this guy and nobody at the fucking UAL give me a match? Not a fucking match.
Because Georgie wasn't down there.
Georgie's the only fucking guy in this country that can give me a fucking match.
George
No,
is strong,
he's
right?
the only guy at
Really
200
strong.
pounds that you
I don't
can't
give
give a match.
Have you
I
guys
want
ever
to pull the
pulled?
guy.
Have they ever pulled?
Left-handed, he's mega strong. Mega
He's
strong.
better right-handed than left-handed.
I think Sylvain
Hold
has
up.
beaten
You
him on
guys
the right,
ever
personally.
pulled Ryan? Sylvain ever pulled this guy?
I've got Sylvain against him on the right, definitely.
Rob was right there with
Left.
Sylvain when they pulled. Georgie hit this fucking punish Rob. I mean,
Left-handed
John
or right?
right-handed. John was in.
So George doesn't like to leave New York. He will not leave New York. So when is the fucking next tournament in New
when did he
York?
win? Sylvain, right?
When is it?
It's the Big Apple and the
Great.
Trapple.
When was it?
When?
What's that?
When
They
did he
run it
beat him
every
right?
spring,
Sylvain.
is it, or?
He probably wouldn't show up. He doesn't show up at every New York tournament. You gotta like make sure you gotta work it out.
Yeah, it was
That's
awesome.
fucking
I know he's a fucking
Look,
Georgian.
Sylvain was
I
on
know
top
that.
of him 1 inch, Rob.
But like,
1 inch.
you can't.
No, Rob beat Sylvain.
Rob Bagent.
And Georgie punish.
You're a fucking pussy because
Punish him. Second, third, fourth night, Georgie puts him in the hook.
Yeah, right-handed Tom's not what he is left either.
No, this was left-handed Superman.
Yeah, left-handed, yeah. Fair enough. George is a fucking animal.
Oh my God, he's amazing.
Yeah, mega strong.
I mean, to me, he could be Richard Lupke today.
Left?
No, right and left.
No fucking way.
I just pulled Richard and I stopped him. I couldn't stop Georgie.
Yeah, but his styles make matches, mate. George is going to go straight into his
Funny
power.
thing is,
Hey, you run across Richard, wait for the break. That motherfucker in a hook, if you run across him, he's going to rip your head off.
Let me tell you, you know how bad Georgie would fuck Brent Rutgers up?
Yeah, Brent Rock.
Fuck him up.
Yeah, but Brent Rockers is
dude,
not.
you cannot fucking say that. You can't say it. You know why? You can't. You cannot fucking say
I
that.
will fuck Brent Rutgers up.
Styles
But
make
I can't beat no Georgie.
You can't say that.
I can tell you I can't beat Georgie.
You can't tell me Brent Rockers can't beat Georgie. You cannot fucking say
Set
that.
that up, set Georgie and Sylvain up. That'll be a fucking banger.
Who do you think?
He does beat you though, right?
Who do you? Well, you were there with the fucking camera.
Let me tell you something.
8 times.
Travis.
Dude, because he put you in a fucking hook and you're weak inside.
Yeah, but then he was top.
Sylvain
His
pulls
top
my
roll was
tournament
like
every year.
this. His hand feels like this.
Yeah, but he didn't top roll you.
Yeah, he just went.
Yeah, he contained you.
But I tried to top roll him.
Yeah, but he just squeezing your hand. And dude, seriously, the rest setup you guys had in New York was the biggest hunk of shit I have ever seen. It didn't matter. You had 4 refs calling the match. 4 fucking refs. Are you serious? Dan Fortuna couldn't call a match if he was looking straight at it.
Philly will beat Mike Solaris, Brent Rockers, Kenny Hughes.
Keep naming them, motherfucker, because I just beat half of them.
And you, wait, so you won't be able to say one person.
What happens when I crack him? Then what? Then what?
You don't go to New York tournament.
Then I don't ever fucking win or what?
Too many fucking foreigners there, baby.
Travis, can't we get Georgie to my place?
Travis, why don't you set up Georgie versus Sylvain? That'll be good.
I have begged Georgie, will you please come to my tournament?
Oh, you set that up?
Georgie, I'll send a limo, will you please?
Why?
He's an illegal fucking alien. He's nervous.
Dude.
First of all, Marcio right now is a Marcio of fucking
You
10
don't want to
years
see that guy.
He's not the same
You don't wanna see
fucking
that
guy.
Marcio right-handed in shape. Crack Georgie. Georgie, listen.
Stalled Georgie.
Left-handed, no.
I don't know.
Georgie's fucking strong as shit.
In my opinion, Marshall's got a better chance left-handed than right-handed. Personally.
You're fucking, you get, what happens is, this is Travis, I'm going to be Travis for a minute. Man, that motherfucker beat me. He cannot lose against anybody in the world. All that they got to do is beat you once and they're invincible, but you don't think about styles. Styles make them.
All I'm telling you is to make this sport, you know, economically viable, you guys have to take a chance. We have to come together. I mean, I've got 172 countries watching my shit. I mean, does that do anything for you?
Get my accent. Come on, work the accent there.
My throat is fucked up.
That is bad.
I forgive you for showing me.
I mean,
Rustam would fucking trash. Are you shitting me? Don't be a dumbass.
Left-handed, it'd be interesting. Left-handed, Rustam George would be interesting. Right-handed, Rustam would kill him.
I used to think that
Fucking
George would
trash.
be able
Oh, right-handed, it's not even fucking.
Hold on. You're saying Georgie can beat anybody left-handed except crazy fucking
but I don't
George.
George
anymore.
has no chance. No chance.
I don't
Right
think so
here.
anymore.
Georgie can beat everybody right-handed except crazy George.
under 200 pounds, yes, in North America.
Jesus fucking Christ. Man, come
Pull
on,
George.
Do you think that you could beat George?
Dude, I've never pulled him. What I'm saying is,
Don't even think about it. Never could you beat George.
I've seen Anthony beat him fucking 3 times.
Oh, come on.
3 times?
Won't ever happen again.
Ryan can't beat George. Yeah, when Dave Hicks is repping the match, anything can happen. He called pins from the fucking nosebleed section of the bleachers against George, but he had no business.
No, that's true.
And I will say that. I've known George for 15 years. I fucking trained that guy.
Because you guys are looking at what has been, and I'm looking at what will be.
If you beat George, people will say you are a bad motherfucker.
That's right.
Why? Because I
You'll be
beat
the
some
man.
60 fucking year old man?
You beat the greatest
Fuck,
of all time.
I'll be honest with you.
Not sometime.
Bullshit, don't you fucking talk out of your ass. I said, what happens if I show up and he loses?
I told you. Then we're into a nice.
Oh, it's more fun to talk out of my ass.
I saw Mike Solaris and Chad Silver's pin George.
James Smith beat him after a long match.
If your arm just
See who else beat his ass as well? Pascal.
George is unbeatable.
Pascal beat him in fucking Canada.
He'll sit up with you like this, and he'll
Craig Sanders pissed him twice.
That's a bit of blast.
Addis. Can't stand up.
Used to get up.
But see, I was
Fucking strong as shit.
I was undefeated against him, so I didn't. I was undefeated against Buckley Russell.
Fucking Swedish shit thing.
Neil Pickup, I have nothing.
It's got an ass and everything.
Nothing.
Titties.
I don't have this. All I have is arm wrestling.
I want to show
And that is what I'm
Tell me.
Do I want to be the best? Is that what you're asking me?
No, tell me what you told him. What you're gonna do.
I told Neil Pickup that I will be the best 200-pound arm wrestler in the world.
I want to see it.
It's not a prediction. It's a fact. I have. It's a fact. I know it.
Make it happen. Our TV wants to see it because we big fans, man. Make it happen, buddy.
There's not one person that's hungrier than I am. No matter who I beat, there's always somebody else. So I will continue to beat everyone until I get the fucking crown. That's it.
RC.
That's it.
Get it. Get on it.
I see that as a motivational factor for me. You get that box tomorrow thinking.
Yeah, watch out, man. We're gonna do one more post.
You did your job.